G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today, of course, is launch day for my masterclass, my new masterclass project for May. I have done something completely different this month. I wanted to mix something up, and I was particularly looking forward to working with fabric rather than fur or felt. So I have created an almost completely fabric project, a true soft sculpture, and it's one of the types of designs that I really love to work with the most. Of course, by now you've seen that it is a chicken. It is a life-size chicken. I have called my chicken Truvy for reasons I will tell you a little further along. There is so much to learn this month in Masterclass. Now, while she might look lovely, clean lines and simple, there are some serious challenges in putting her together. She's block mounted, and you can do so much. Probably one of the most creative projects that I have made for you all, and I think you are all going to be able to put your own flavour into it and really embellish her. So lots of ways to make her. Let's have a closer look at my beautiful Truvy. So please allow me to introduce to you our beautiful life-size chicken. My chicken is called Truvy. Truvy from Still Magnolias, Dolly Parton's character. I absolutely love Dolly Parton, and I adored her in Still Magnolias and her character. My chicken is a little bit of a glamour chicken, and she loves her colour. This project this month, you're going to learn so much in Masterclass about construction, and this is really stepping into soft sculpture. I love anything that is mounted in this way. It truly makes it an art piece. All of the quilters who love their fabrics are going to love this month's project. You've got trims, I've given you appliques, it's all very 3D and textile. And it's quite inexpensive to make because this is made of felt and fabrics. And it's probably my favourite kind of soft sculpture. Now you can see we've got a gorgeous sculpted beak with our epoxy sculpt. We've got some needle felting around those eyes. Different techniques of adding pieces this time, and certainly those are very detailed wing sections. Both of them. Look at that beautiful floof behind, a beautiful fluffy, floofy bottom, some gorgeous ruffles on the underside. I know so many of you're already thinking about all of the ways that you could make this one, and certainly she can be made up in a very realistic style because she is life-size. She's a big fat chicken. But she's certainly life-size, which I love. I love making things that are life-size. And how beautiful will she look on your sewing table? An absolute masterpiece. We do sculpt the legs and the feet, and I have done that before with the Professor. So many of you have made the Professor, and because you all managed that quite well, I thought we'd go ahead and make this chicken. The block on the base is just beautiful. I show you some techniques for doing some groundwork there, which is really exciting. You're going to use that a lot in your work. And of course, this, I give you the detailing, but you can applique this project any way you like. You can make it realistic. You can make it even more way out than mine. I just think it's a beautiful blend of all sorts of different textiles. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing my beautiful, very glamorous Truvy. So what do you all think? I hope you love her as much as I've enjoyed making her for you. We do, of course, have a giveaway winner, which I cannot announce now because of the timing of the filming of this clip. I will be announcing that on our Pay It Forward Facebook page. So if you have not joined our Facebook page, I'll put the link down below. You can come and join us there. That's where you can join. That's where you can share any creation you've made with my patterns. Please remember that Facebook page is only for sharing your creations that you've made from either my Masterclass patterns or Pay It Forward patterns right here. That way it doesn't get confusing. There are many sewing groups out there. This one is just for Lisa Pay patterns, and love seeing all of your work there, and it's very inspiring to everybody else. So keep on posting, everybody. I love it. I jump in there whenever I can. If you really want me to see something that I have missed, send it to me, show me privately on Instagram. And if you want to have a chat with me privately, Instagram is the place to do it. That address is across your screen. Love to hear from you all. So looking forward to lots of chickens. The only thing better than making one of these is lots of them. And I could really get carried away with fashion chickens, but I don't have time. So I'm going to leave that to all of you. I know I'm going to be super excited by the results. I know it's all ticking over in your brains already, your colour schemes, I know. And I know exactly how you feel. So enjoy it, everyone. If you want to step up to Masterclass, the links will be down below to do so. In the meantime, everybody, just have a fantastic creative week. Whatever you're creating, look after yourselves. Thanks for your support. And remember always to pay all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.